Video vlog check everybody, Azrael here. We're doing another video and phone reveal from Honor Philippines. No, they sent a new unit ng smartphone nila. This is the Honor X7e at it will be launched this July 7 here in the Philippines. So abangan nyo yung aming mga paandar to check out this phone. Actually, naka-sealed pa to. Di pa ako nakagawa ng unboxing video but I want to open it. Hindi ko napapakita sa inyo yung aking unboxing kasi on a separate video naman tayo, gagawa naman tayo palagi. So I'll just remove the plastic at lagay ko na lang din siya. So unbox ko na to, no, para makita ko. This is a phone reveal, no. They're teasing this phone sa Facebook nila 2 days ago. It's branded as the 7,500 milliampere of battery. Tama ba? At I have add dito no? Yeah, all day power, massive battery. So I'll be removing this. Ayan. Later on, lalagay ka pa rin natin for our unboxing. So, this is the Honor X7e. Check it out, yo. Phone reveal na to, no? New smartphone na maglo-launching this July 7. So, abangan niyo for the tech specs and also SRP na rin din. Ito na bang mga bagong feature to? Very interesting for the camera, no? Parang medyo makapal yung camera. But it reminds me of the camera module ni Honor 200, parang ganyan. Comparing it with the, I have here the Honor 400 Pro. So, okay. So, I have some other phones here na Honor din. Ito, shooting this with the Honor 600 naman. So, sayang hindi ko nakuha yung orange. I like the orange eh. Maganda yung orange color niya. It's very trending. But, I got the, alam bang color to? It's color black, I think. Midnight, they call it the midnight black. Ayan. So, this is a surprise phone reveal from Honor Philippines. So, I think this is a budget smartphone for good for students, sa mga seniors, for example, or if you need an extra smartphone. Even nga yung mga kilala ko na advanced user, they have extra phones na mga ganito, mga budget size, affordable size niya, no? So, hindi ko alam kung magkano extra. Kung aabot ba to ng below 10,000 or above 10,000 or maybe below 8,000. So, abangan ninyo, no, sa July. Hindi ko pa to na gagamit. Kaka-unbox ko lang, pinakita ko lang sa inyo. And mamaya, mag-shoot na tayo ng content, no, para getting ready for the main launching here sa Philippines ng Honor X7e. Sana nakuha ko yung orange kasi ang ganda ng orange. Ang ganda eh. Kaso black, midnight black. Pero okay lang, very stylish. I like the gold. Parang may pagka-gold ring siya dito. Hindi ko lang alam kung gold to or ano. Iba yung style ng yung camera module niya. So, I guess this is it. Abangan nyo, watch us for my next video, no? Gagawa tayo ng content more about the Honor X7e, the latest smartphone this July 2026 from Honor Philippines. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys at the next video vlog adventure. Okay, mag-drop test na tayo. Joke lang. Huwag yung the-drop test to. Alright, so kita-kits sa next video. Kita-kits!